Congratulations in buying your 909 variable speed belt sander. This is a 900 watt unit with a standard 533 by 75 belt, or 21 inches by 3 inches. As I said before, has variable speed on the top here, which takes the unit from 180 meters per minute to 340 at maximum. Has a nice secondary handle at the front or on the top there, so you can use it either way. This unit comes with dust extraction canister or an adapter, so you can use your dust extraction system with this one or the canister, and that can just be opened and emptied when it's near full. Also with this system, with this belt sander, comes with an inversion kit, which I will demonstrate on another video, but allows the unit to be inverted horizontally or vertically. Has a rubber handle for comfort and also a lock-on button for ease of use. As I said before, it's a standard belt size, but to remove the belt, pull the handle, lift the old belt out, and new belt just slides on, and then lever goes back. If there is any adjustment needed, this knob at the front here does the tracking and centralizes the belt.